I typed one sentence, and an AI made a full cinematic short film for me. Original music, animated scenes, everything assembled automatically. I did not touch a video editor. I did not record a single second of footage. I did not hire anyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the entire process from start to finish, including how much it actually cost in credits, because I want you to have the full picture before you try this yourself. The link to try the platform is in the description at YB.Digital school. So the platform is called Super Cool AI. I've been using it for a few months now across my content channels, and I've been testing different features. Today, I want to focus on something specific: the ability to generate a complete short film from a single text prompt with no manual steps at all. When you first log in, this is what you see. The main interface has 5 tabs at the top: Agent, Feed, Coder, Studio, and a couple of icons on the right. The design is dark, clean, and pretty straightforward. Everything runs in the browser, no download needed. Now at the top right, you can see a section called Advanced Movie Maker. This is a separate tool where you can go in and manually build videos shot by shot, choose your aspect ratio, write individual scene prompts, pick your model quality, fast, standard, or premium, and generate clips one by one with full control. That is a powerful feature, and I will cover it in a future video. But today, I'm not going to use it, because I want to show you something even more impressive. I want to show you what happens when you just describe what you want in plain language and let the AI handle the entire production pipeline on its own. So I click on the Agent tab. This is where you give Supercool a task in natural language. Think of it like giving an instruction to a creative director who also happens to be a filmmaker, a video editor, a composer, and a Python developer all at the same time. The prompt I am going to use is simple. I will type a 60-second cinematic short about the life of a digital nomad working from Bali, the morning routine, the cafe, the laptop, the freedom. That is it. No technical instructions, no shot lists, no storyboard. Just one sentence describing the feeling and the concept. And now I press send. Now at this point, I was expecting to be redirected to the Advanced Movie Maker, where I would need to go through steps manually. That is not what happened. Instead, AI starts working right here in the chat window. It takes over completely. It starts thinking through the entire production plan autonomously. Let me walk you through every step it took, because this is where it gets genuinely impressive. Step 1, thinking. The AI is planning the production. It figures out that 60 seconds works out to roughly 8 scenes of 8 seconds each. It thinks about camera angles, visual storytelling, how to show the laptop as part of the story rather than just a prop. It writes Python code to define each scene with a detailed cinematic prompt. Things like slow drone push-in over Bali rice terraces at sunrise, handheld tracking shot of someone walking through a sunlit street, over-the-shoulder shot of hands typing at a cafe. It saves all of this as a structured plan. This is the beat sheet, the production blueprint for the entire film. Step 2. Now it starts generating images. The first 5 scene steals are being created in parallel, all based on the prompts it wrote in step 1. You can see the generating image indicators appearing. Each one is a cinematic still that will later be animated into a video clip. The AI is maintaining a consistent warm golden cinematic color grade across all of them. This is already the kind of consistency that would take a human photographer a full day on location to achieve. At this point, I also check my credit balance. When I started this session, I had 7,396 credits used. I can see the counter is moving. This process is credit intensive, and I want to be transparent about that. I will give you the final number at the end. Third step. We now have all 8 scene images ready. Sunrise over rice terraces, villa bedroom at dawn, coffee being poured, someone walking through a Balinese street, a cafe scene with a laptop, hands typing on a keyboard, an infinity pool overlooking the jungle, and a silhouette on a beach at sunset. 8 scenes, all visually cohesive, all generated from text descriptions in under a couple of minutes. Now here is something worth knowing. Each generated image and video has a post to feed button that says earn 50 credits. I click on the first scene still, the Balinese rice field aerial shot, and I post it to the super cool internal feed with the caption Balinese rice fields. I also share it to my travel channels on Facebook and X directly from within the platform. It even gives me an option to boost the post after publishing, and I get 50 credits back just for sharing. You can do this with most of the content generated during your session, which helps offset some of the production cost. It is a small but nice touch. Steps 4 and 5. The AI has updated the production manifest with all the still file names, and now it starts animating. The first 4 scenes are being converted from static images into video clips. This is using image-to-video AI models to add motion. The drone pull-in over the rice terraces, the curtains billowing in the villa, the steam rising from the coffee cup, the person walking down the Balinese street. Each clip is about 8 seconds. While they generate, I play back one of the earlier completed clips. You can see it. A young woman walking down a sunlit Bali street, linen clothes, backpack, completely cinematic feel. This was generated entirely from a text prompt. Step 6. The second batch of 4 scenes is now being animated. The cafe scene, the typing scene, the infinity pool, and the sunset beach silhouette. While those process, I preview the 8th scene, the freedom shot, a young woman on a Balinese beach at sunset, arms slightly outstretched, warm orange sky, waves rolling in. That single frame captures exactly the feeling the original prompt described. This is what happens when you give a good creative brief to a system that actually understands mood and atmosphere. Steps 7 and 8. The AI records all 8 clip file names into the production manifest to keep everything organized. Then it moves straight into music generation. It creates an original cinematic instrumental track, about 64 seconds long, with piano, airy pads, and tropical percussion that builds toward a hopeful swell at the end. The track is called Tropical Paradise Journey. This is broadcast quality, completely original music. No copyright issues, no licensing fees, generated specifically for this film. Step 9. Now the AI stitches all 8 clips together in scene order and lays the music track underneath the entire film. On the right side of the screen, you can see the super cool computer panel. It is running Python code to handle the video assembly using FFmpeg and its own internal stitch video function. I do not understand the code, and honestly I do not need to. The point is that it handles all of this automatically, without me having to open a single video editing application. Steps 10 and 11. AI does a visual quality check on keyframes from the assembled film, inspects the output, confirms everything is clean and cohesive, and finalizes the delivery. The whole autonomous process, from pressing send on the prompt to receiving the finished film, took just over 6 minutes of active processing time. And here it is, the completed film. Let me open it full screen so you can actually watch it. 64 seconds, 8 scenes, original score, all from one sentence. Watch the sunrise over the rice terraces, the villa in the morning light, the coffee steam, the walk through Bali, the cafe, the typing, the infinity pool, and the freedom shot at sunset. This is a finished, downloadable, ready-to-publish cinematic short film. Now let me talk about what this actually cost. When I started, I had 7,396 credits used. After completing this entire film, I was at 19,023 credits used. That is 11,627 credits for one complete short film production, 8 AI animated scenes, original music, and full assembly. I am on the starter plan, which gives me 16,450 credits per month. So this one project used about 70% of a monthly allowance. For context, hiring a videographer to shoot in Bali, plus an editor, plus a composer for original music, you are realistically looking at several $100s minimum. This cost me a fraction of that. If you are a content creator making 1 or 2 pieces per month, starter works. If you are producing content for clients, running an agency, or generating multiple films per month, you will want to look at pro and above, 30,000 credits per month, where the math becomes very comfortable. There is also a pay as you go option, where you can add 4,000 credits for $20 whenever you hit your limit. The link to try it yourself is in the description. It is an affiliate link at YB.Digital school. No extra cost for you, it just helps support the channel. The free plan gives you 250 credits to start, which is enough to explore the interface and run a small test before committing to a paid plan. If you want to go further, the starter plan gives you 16,250 credits per month. That is roughly one full film production like this one, plus room to experiment with other features. Pro gives 30,000 credits per month, which is where it starts making real sense if you are producing content regularly or working with clients. And if you are running an agency or generating high volumes of content, there are plans going all the way up to 350,000 credits per month. There is also a pay-as-you-go option where you can add 4,000 credits for $20 whenever you hit your limit, so you are never fully blocked mid-project. Try it at YB.Digital, go school, and let me know in the comments what you end up creating with it. I would genuinely love to see what people make with this.